Hello, my name is Kipper. For our travel app, I worked mostly on the login and sign up pages, both of which just work like your standard sign in and sign up views you see on every other app. So starting with the sign up page, it asks for your email, your password validation, and you can also toggle between visible and not visible for the password. When a user signs up, their info is stored in the Firebase database, which is a NoSQL database service built by Google. This service essentially just gives developers a backend that they can use in their mobile applications. Now moving on to the login screen. It asks for your email and your password. And again, you can toggle between visible and not visible for the password. Another feature of the login page is that it'll throw errors if the user either isn't in the Firebase database or if the user enters a email that is not valid. And now if the user is in the database, it'll direct them towards the home view. So one thing I would do differently is change the way I store user settings, especially the login information. At the moment, I'm using a Swift UI class called user defaults, which is used to cache user preferences. However, if you use it to cache login information, it can lead to some security issues. So if I had more time, I'd probably look into using the official Firebase authentication way of storing this data.
Hi, I'm Xiang Cai. I'm mainly doing the tab view. Rivik also contributed to it. So our goal is to make an app that help people plan their trips. Therefore, as you can see, we have 5 tabs, which are the Home tab, the Map tab, the Flight tab, the Itinerary tab, and the Profile tab. So in the Home tab, you can see that the name of our app is itinerary.io. In the Map tab and the Flight tab, you can see more detailed information about the maps and the flight. However, due to the time limit, we haven't finished the Itinerary tab and the Profile tab. But if time allows, we believe that we can finish it and make our app better.
I am Ritvik Gandhasiri and I worked on the travel app as well. I made this logo and I worked on the map view mostly and a little bit on the tab view. So the tabs, first of all, which is home tab, map tab, flights, itinerary, and profile. This was someone else's job, but I kind of still contributed a little bit. And the map view was my thing, and I used MapKit, and it worked very smoothly with Swift because it's one of their biggest interfaces in uh, app dev for Swift. So essentially, what I did was I found a few popular destinations and found a way to geomark them, and then created a link to the Wikipedia page at that specific location pin. And so essentially, what it does is you click on the pin, and it takes you to the Wikipedia page and gives you more information about it. And yeah, as I said earlier, I used MapKit, which is Apple's very own. And yeah, in the future, I probably would like to create a page inside of this app. So instead of going to the Wikipedia page, it could just like pull the information from Wikipedia or Yelp or whatever and just create a new page and showing you all like the important information and whatever you need to know about that place in terms of vacation, travel, or whatnot. Thank you so much. Now on to the flights page.
My name is Harsh Agarwal, and for this app, I have designed the flights page by making some API calls on a dummy JSON file that I was provided with. As you can see here, I have extracted flight information about flights operating from Chicago O'Hare International Airport to Champaign's Wilward Airport, along with other relevant details that I feel is important for the user. My code works on the process of serialization and deserialization, which honestly makes my work quite easy as I've used API key in order to extract these information. I feel that this is quite an important part of my app and I really hope that you guys like it.